Okay, so for this video, I will show you how to create your HelloSign account. Just type in hellosign.com and it will redirect you to the login page, which is this one. And then, since we don't have an account yet, we just have to click the sign up link here. Okay, and then you will see the sign up button, which I will use sign up with Google since we have a Gmail account. And just click that and then click the Gmail account, and then there it will ask you to choose a plan. So this shows the payment plans, but here when you scroll down it has the free plan button here. So just click that, and there you have a HelloSign